Try to sit in any sitting posture for both hands on your knees. Try to make your spine erect. From here, we will do Kapalbhati. Kapal means our lalat, forehead. Bhati means chamak. From here, take long inhale and slow exhale during Kapalbhati. A powerful exhalation from your stomach, always taking active exhalation and passive inhalation. We will repeat with 20 strokes. Take long inhale and start. One, 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 one. Exhale. Inhale. Slow exhale. We will repeat Kapalbhati for 30 strokes. Take long and deep inhale and start. One, 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 one. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. From here, we will repeat 40 strokes of Kapalbhati. Take long, deep inhale and start. One, 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 one. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. From here, we will start pranayam. First pranayam we will do Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. In Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam, we will try to activate our Ida and Pingla. We will take inhalation from one nostril and exhalation from other nostril. Then inhalation from where you exhale, same nostril inhale and other nostril exhale. Try to your left hand in same Chin Mudra and right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Vishnu Mudra is like this. Then your first two fingers and other two fingers are straight. Now place your right hand near to your chest. From here, place your thumb on your right nostril. Inhale from left, close your left nostril. Exhale from the right, inhale from the right, exhale from the left. This is one round. We will repeat 5 rounds of Anulom Vilom Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. This pranayam improve our lungs capacity, activate our nadis, Ida and Pingla. Slow inhale from your nostrils, slow exhale. Continue repeat. Try to straight your spine. Exhalation from your left nostril. We will finish our Anulom Vilom. Your both hands in Chin Mudra. Straight your back. From here we will repeat. We will do Sitli Pranayam. In Sitli Pranayam, we reduce our heat in our body. We will make a pipe shape through our tongue like this and take a long inhale, then slow exhale. First take long inhale. Now close your mouth. Exhale from the nose. This is one round. We will repeat 3 more rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. From here, we will do Bhramri Pranayam. Bhramri matlab black bee. We create a voice like a black bee. Take long inhale and raise voice. From here, we will repeat this Bhramri Pranayam in Shanmukhi Mudra. In Shanmukhi Mudra, place your both hands on your face, your first finger on your eyes, ear, and close your ear. From here, we will repeat Release your both hand. Try to sit in any sitting posture. Place your both hand on your knees. From here we will do meditation. Sit in same posture. Slightly up your head, up your face, slightly up. Close your eyes, your spine erect. Take slow inhale, slow exhale. Try to focus in between your eyebrows. From here, take slow and deep inhale. Exhale. Sit in same posture for next 2 minutes. Try to focus between your both eyebrows and concentrate on your breath. Now join your both palm together. We will finish this session with prayer, universal prayer. Repeat after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Sarve Santu Niramaya. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Rub your both hands. Place your both hands on your face. Now open your eyes. Thank you.